In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are people in the society. There are every type of people in the society. Whether the society is the eastern one or the society is the western one, whether the countries are developing countries, whether the countries are developed countries, whether the countries are undeveloped countries. So there are every type of people, and now there are people who are unable to develop, who are unable to move forward, who are unable to make progress. There are people who are having a sort of deadlock, rather they are going back and they are regressing, they are on the reversal. So instead of moving forward, they are moving backward, they are unable to move forward. And now there are people who are developing, the people who are happy, the people who are moving forward, the people who are striving and struggling for their goals, the people who have achieved their goals. There are all sort of people. Now look upon the reason why some of the people are unable to develop, why some of the people are unable to move forward, why some of the people are unable to make any sort of progress, while some of the people are unable to gain the affluence and the prosperity. I think the reason is not because they are lacking the resources, the reason is not because they are lacking the talents and the intelligence, not because some of these people or all the undeveloping people are not the handsome people, not the beautiful people, not belonging to the strong families. I think all of these things, although all of these things are important, the financial resources are important, the affluence, the prosperity is important, and even your intelligence and your talents are important. But what is the most important thing, and what is the most important thing ever, is none of these things. The most important thing ever is the mindset of a person who is based on the regressive thoughts, who is based on the negative thoughts, which is based on something which is unappreciable and which is depressing, which does not give the hope, which does not give the confidence, and which does not empower us, which does not give the people strength. So this is the mindset. What is the mindset actually? The mindset is a set of attitudes. The mindset is the attitudes a person is possessing, the person is practicing, the person has developed over a period of time. This is the mindset which is responsible either for our good life or for our bad life. Either we are a mediocre one or we are the outstanding one. Either we are an undeveloping person. Whatever we are because of our mindset. And let me tell you, let me assure you that if at all we want to change our destiny, if at all we want to change our life, all what we need to do is we don't need to accumulate the money first. We don't need to do anything. We don't need to do anything else first. Whatever is the first, whatever is the foremost is changing our mindset. It is the mindset which plays crucial role. If at all we want to make progress, if at all we want to improve our life, if at all we want to revolutionize our life, if at all we want to totally change everything else in our life, if at all we want to lead a happy life, if at all we want to gain the prosperity, all what we need to do is that we need to change our mindset. We need to change our set of attitudes. We need to come out of the disempowering attitudes. We need to come out of the negative thought. We need to come out of the bad reactions. We need to come out of the lack of confidence. We need to come out of the lack of hope. We need to have an empowering state of mind. We need to culture. We need to cultivate. We need to develop the thoughts. We need to develop the attitudes which empower us, which strengthen us, which gives us the hope, which gives us the strength, which gives us the confidence, which makes us a strong human being, which makes us a confident human being. All of this, I think, if at all we could nurture, if at all we could develop, if at all we could make an attitude and a mindset like this one, I believe that our life is going to become revolutionized. Our life is going to become a totally different one. Our life is going to, we will be coming out of the deadlock, and we will be marching forward towards the success, towards the happiness, towards the prosperity, towards the affluence. Now look upon the people. There is a very strong and a very beautiful example I am going to put forward in front of you, and this will be inshallah a sort of final argument in favor of the mindset theory, in favor of the mindset as something ultimate. There are people in a very undeveloped or underdeveloped country, in a country where there is no, where the justice system is a very poor one, where the poor are getting poorer. In a society like this one, some of the people, despite being poor, despite having a poverty ridden background, they are developing by sheer hard work, without any sort of cheating. They are not resourceful, they are not even intelligent, they are not even talented enough, but because of the sheer attitude, because of the sheer hard work, they are moving forward, they are developing. On the other hand, in the same society, with the society which is a class based society, in a society like this one, some of the people were having a very good background, they got all the resources, but despite all that, they could not develop, they could not move forward, they are not developing, they are not moving forward, they are not gaining and achieving the affluence and the prosperity, they are not moving forward, they are not getting stronger, they are losing their confidence, they are losing their moral, they why? Because they have a mindset which disempowers them, because they have a set of attitudes which are not positive, which are not constructive, which are not giving them the confidence, which are not giving them the hope, which are not making them a strong human being, which are not making them a positive human being. I believe the most important thing ever is not the resources, is not the financial resources, it's not even the talents, it's not even the intelligence, even it is not the affluence, it is not the influence, none of these things. But does pay whatever does play the crucial role is our mindset, is our set of attitudes we have developed carefully and we are practicing. If at all we are not careful about developing the attitudes, what is going to happen then? Our attitudes are going to become very poor, and the poor mindset will develop, and we will stick to the poverty, and we will be on a decline. We will be having a sort of regress instead of the progress. Thank you.